I, Wafuba Muhammad Magomu, swear in the name of the Almighty Allah and affirm that I will give faithful service to this council and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me Allah. I, Wafuba Muhammad Magomu, swear in the name of the Almighty Allah and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda and that I will preserve, protect and defend the Constitution. So help me Allah. I, Wafuba Muhammad Magomu, affirm that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal any matter to any person which shall be brought under my consideration or shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my official duties, except as might be required for the discharge of my duties, or as may be specially permitted by the President. So help me Allah.